Today, we will talk about another new strategy. You must have heard about the fractal indicator. Today we will analyze the market using this indicator and show you how you can do the same analysis and take entry very easily. So to know about today's analysis, watch our video patiently for 5 minutes, then you will know everything how to do this analysis and how to take entry and get the idea of everything. So hello viewers, I am an official member of Forex BD. I hope you all are well. Since we have been sharing a lot of analysis with you so that you can watch those videos and improve yourself, today we will share with you a new analysis, and here we will use an indicator and show you how to analyze and take entries with that indicator. Many of us may have heard the name of fractal indicator, maybe many have used it. If anyone has not used it or does not know about it, then today's video is very important for them. However, it can be used in many different ways, so whoever opened this video must watch. Maybe you will learn a good system today, by which you can do well in Forex. You can see some arrow signs. These are fractals. We will share how to do market analysis beautifully through this indicator. If you pay attention, you will see that these fractals are being created in the areas of support and resistance of the market. That is, these signs are being created in the place of the back points, that means from where the market turns back. Then you can understand that these fractals are working like support and resistance in the market. Fractals above the market act as resistance, and fractals below the market act as support. These fractals in this indicator are based on the position of the 4 candlesticks. That is, you can see the arrow above or below the candlestick. These are made based on the position of the previous and next 4 candlesticks. This fractal is formed when the high of a candlestick is above the high of the preceding and following 4 candlesticks. As you can see here, a green fractal, or arrow symbol, so its high is above the high of the previous and next 4 candles, and we can take this as a resistance level. Further down, you can see a red arrow sign forming below the candle. This red fractal is formed when the low of a candle is below the low of the preceding and following 4 candlesticks. We can consider such placements as support levels. But the biggest problem with this fractal indicator is that it frequently creates arrow signs. So this has become a big problem in analysis, because in this case, there are more fake signals which cause loss. For that we have to adopt a different approach. That's why we have to use another indicator instead of this indicator. For this, we will use another fractal indicator. The name of that indicator is William Fractal Trailing Stop. If you search by writing this name, it will come up. We are setting up this indicator. After setup, it needs some setting. That's why we went to the settings option, and from here we have to go to the style option. Then you can see many more options here, except for the first 2 options. Remove the tick mark from all the remaining options. Once these are removed, then go to the input option. But before that, you can change the color in the 2 options above. We made red and green. Then go to the input option and submit 9 in the 2 options below. I repeat, submit 9. So our work is done. Now there are not so many arrow signs like before, so it would be beneficial to do an analysis. Along with this, we have to use the moving average indicator, and it will have length 200. We set up a moving average indicator and set its length 200. However, now we will analyze. Now let's see how to do the analysis. When the market is above the moving average line, we will only take buy entry, and when the market is below this line, we will only take sell entry. So the way we will analyze is when the market is above the moving average, we will wait for the green fractal or top fractal. The arrow mark formed above the market is called the top fractal or green fractal, and it points downward, and the fractal you see below is called the bottom fractal, which points up. So as I said, when the market is above the moving average, we will only take buy entry and wait for the green arrow sign. When the green arrow sign is formed in the market, that will be the resistance for us. So the market will then go down and turn around and then take a buy entry if the market breaks that resistance. As you can see in the market, now green arrow symbol or top fractal, we took this as resistance. Then the market went downtrend and then came back again to uptrend. Now we will wait when the market breaks this resistance line. Whenever the market breaks this line, then we have to take buy entry, and that is the rule of this analysis. We can see that the market has broken this line and went upward. So this is the rule of following this analysis. You can follow this way and take buy entry. Do you have to wait for the top fractal first? Then when you get this top fractal, it will be the resistance, then the market will turn back and later, it will back to the resistance level. And lastly, when the market breaks this resistance, then take buy entry. So this is how you do analysis. Similarly, you can follow it and take sell entries. For that, the market has to stay below the moving average, and now we have to wait for the red arrow sign. Earlier, we used to wait for green arrow sign, but now we will wait for red sign. Whenever the red mark is formed in the market, that will be our support level. Then the market will turn back from the new support level, and then it will go to support level. Lastly, the market will break the support line, then you have to take sell entry. By following this way, you can buy and sell entries, but you will wait for the breakout. Then when the market breaks your support or resistance line, then you take entry. Anyway, this is our analysis. I hope you understand today's analysis, but if you have any problems, feel free to leave a comment.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the Forex BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that Forex BD can meet your needs all the time.